One of the biggest mysteries in life is why is Q.A.'s phone's voice memo start out with KHF Table Korean restaurant?
I don't know. Maybe that's the last video I watched.
Have you ever watched a video or something like this?
No,
Why?
I don't know.
Seriously.
I don't know
Phones
why it's
always
called.
say new
KHF
memo, new voice memo.
So weird.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, welcome to another episode of Man and Max's Money Podcast. Today we have...
Me.
Who are you?
I am Q.A. I'm a junior. Junior.
So you're basically question answers.
Yes. I have a lot of questions.
Like what?
What's the meaning of life?
That's 42. Next.
Oh, 42 is actually the asterisk. If you
What's an asterisk?
like the star, the asterisk.
Sure.
Yeah, if it's in ASCII, and then apparently the author of the book is like, I put it as an asterisk because it can mean multiple things.
I think that's false. I think he said that he's put 42 because it was random.
No, I'm pretty sure he did an asterisk because it was it's supposed to represent multiple meanings in different programming languages. So it's like a wild card,
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Because most sources say that he put 42 because
it's
was
just random. Yeah, Miss Richardson was like, oh, he put it as an asterisk, but we will never.
I guess we'll never know.
Yeah,
that's one of the mysteries of life. So, hello.
What's up, Max?
Why are you in robotics?
Oh, at first I joined because Jaden was in it, and he's my friend.
That's it?
Yeah, and for Cass as well, But then I realized the club is really fun. I like it.
If it's really fun, why'd you ditch it for your stupid tutoring club?
Hey, I didn't ditch it. I still go every Monday, and sometimes on Tuesday if my teacher allows it. I have piano on Tuesday.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. You're free to do whatever you want.
Yeah, robotics is fun. I enjoy it.
What do you like about it?
I like the social part of it.
Social part of it?
Because you gotta work well with the people you're with.
So teamwork, basically.
Yeah, teamwork. I like the teamwork, and I like busting my mind up a little bit. You know what I mean?
So you basically get a wrench from the robotics kit and you break open your head with it.
Yeah, sure. No,
Wow, that sounds very fun.
I like building the robot. It's an interesting process. I mean, our first robot was pretty bad.
But aren't you like a coder?
Yeah, well, I try to be, but then I can't code. So.
But you're in CSHL.
I know.
God.
It goes to show how weak I am.
No, but you're in CSHL.
Shh. You don't need to know that, okay?
I
I just did a
do.
CSHL test and I'm crying, okay?
Oh, what was it on?
It was on 2D arrays and recursion.
Matrices.
Yeah, and what else? Oh, list. Yeah, it was a really challenging test, in my opinion.
You need to get to use those exact same concepts in the VCS, right?
Yeah, really?
X coding studio.
Yeah, I know. Wait, really?
Yeah, you actually can.
That's awesome. I should try to. But I can't do C. I only know 2 languages, Python and Java.
Python and Java. I mean, if you know Java, then C is really just you change a few things and then bam, you're there.
Yeah, well, I'm just really lazy to learn it.
Java's actually derived from C.
Really,
C++, C#, Java, and a bunch of other languages are derived from C, which is like a basic mother language.
Okay, well, if you already know 2 languages, it's really easy to learn a third one.
I suppose.
Yeah. So you like robotics too, Max? Because you're never there, buddy.
I'm only there on Tuesdays. Monday I have another club.
Oh yeah, you have chess club.
Anyways. Yeah.
Yeah, what do you do outside of school, man?
Okay, let's not go off topic now, shall we?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Let's go off topic, Max.
Screw you. No, seriously, it's kind of like, wow. What part of robotics coding do you like?
The coding?
Yeah.
I don't know. I like the blocks.
You like the blocks?
The blocks are cool.
No, but that was like last year. That was like Python Mesh.
The coding. Oh, do you like AI stuff?
AI stuff? What about it?
Like machine learning, how machines adapt.
Yeah, what about it?
You like it?
It's fun.
You ever think you'll do it when you graduate? Like focus on AI building?
I mean, the future is something that no one can tell. It's always full of like random expectations.
Mm-hmm.
No one really knows what's going to happen.
You know, it's really cool how like people don't really know what their algorithms really do anymore. They just build like a robot that teaches
Oh yeah,
other robots.
AI
right?
actually, you actually don't program what the AI
Yeah,
does.
right?
You just tell the AI, here's some parameters to learn from.
Mhm.
Now
and then do it.
tweak.
Yeah. So now like the YouTube algorithm is just like no one knows what it does really.
Because once the general baseline was created, and they just let it loose.
It just improves itself over and over again,
and suddenly it's.
I think that's really cool. And also, it's kind of scary at the same time, right?
I mean, there are a lot of films that suggest I think there's possibly a bad idea. Like think of Skynet, for instance.
Skynet, like, iRobot, scary stuff.
But at the same time, so it's kind of like a double-edged sword because initially this stuff really helps us a lot. Like YouTube's algorithm actually makes people find the videos they like a lot easier. But at the same time, this stuff can be really scary. Like once it becomes like self-sentient, once it becomes once it realizes that humans are a threat to it, we die.
It's over. Yeah, then it's over. Like WhatsApp. Wait, what's the Chinese app? They have this like app that does everything. I don't remember what it's called.
I think it's WhatsApp.
Yeah, right, something like that. Like it has everything. It has like social media, chatting service, video. It has like a way to like order food and bring it back to your home. That's scary, don't you think? It's like so the app like the producers know where you live. They know what you say. They probably know what you look like based on your profile picture and stuff like that. That's scary. Whew.
I mean, some people argue that privacy is better. Some people argue that security is better. That's just
you gotta find a fine line between the two.
But the problem is that if you have more of one, the other automatically goes down to hell.
Yeah. Well, we live in a world where we can't really do anything. Privacy is not really a thing anymore.
At this point, privacy is gone.
Yeah.
Like if you want to keep yourself private, your friends will post you for you. Now,
like take China an example. It's crazy.
What's your opinion on centralized services like Facebook and WeChat?
Centralized services?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't really like Facebook.
Why not?
Because the ads are annoying. I hate it. I don't like the
you
complexity of it.
Well, the ads is one of the reasons why Facebook is free for everyone.
Yeah, but
the
then
other
I don't
reason
like
is
it.
the data.
And I don't like the I don't like the ads. I don't like the interface. I don't know what you're supposed to do on Facebook. I don't know. It's weird.
I mean, then why do you use it?
I don't know, to chat with friends. That's it. I just go on there to chat.
Fair
but
enough.
Then I don't like really scroll through it because I don't have anything on my Facebook. I don't use WhatsApp, so I have no comment.
So your opinion is that you don't like it?
Yes, sure. I'll be
centralized systems.
I mean, depends. Centralized systems. It depends, but
like once again, there's an advantage of centralized system. It's the fact that everyone uses it.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, a decentralized system would be something that you have to constantly argue with your friends to pick over which one's the best one. So that's. But at the same time, it's decentralized systems also does mean that there's a lot of inefficiency in your economics class.
Yeah.
So I mean, at the end of the day, it's really there's a lot of pros and cons for both systems.
This is getting depressing.
Why?
I'm like thinking about the security thing and our lack of privacy, and it just makes me sad.
You know what's even worse?
What?
Any site you go onto, technically a hacker could be listening to it.
Right? That's scary.
I mean, even with like,
I feel like Siri is listening to us right now. Just
hi
like,
Siri.
Hey Siri, what's up?
I think she's not saying anything because she knows that if she says something, she knows that we're listening to her.
It's scary, man.
I know, right? Speaking of security, you know how like all websites come with this security certificate that basically says that, oh, this site is certified?
No.
You didn't know that?
No.
Now you do.
Now I do.
Every single big websites, like Facebook, for instance, have to get like a certain security.
Is it like the lock next to the URL?
It is. And it basically shows that this website is really the website that it's representing. Like if the certificate is not there, then what happens is that this site that says it's Q.A.'s company, for instance, it might not be Q.A.'s company. It might be Max's company that's trying to steal Q.A.'s companies.
But then how do they like give certificates? Do you have to reach like a certain amount of money, or you have to bribe there?
It's like you have to kind of have to pay for it, and also at the same time you also have to like it's kind of hard to explain. I think there's this public-private key thing problem with like with hashing and like
study about that in computer science HL.
Haha. I don't think you'll learn about that. I think you'll learn like
we did like a little bit on keys and encryption, but not much. Not much.
Not much.
It's just self study this stage. Yeah.
But yeah, with the recent like Heartbeat blog and the more recent WannaCry decryption software.
Oof, dude, the WannaCry is scary.
Have you ever been infected by it?
No.
Have you heard of anyone? Have you heard of anyone that got?
No, I just saw people filming them like
crying.
Yeah. I mean, they access your computer and they grab all of your data.
No, they don't grab it. They don't grab it. Yeah. All they do is they basically make the data unreadable. They encrypt it, and they're like, "Give us money, and we'll decrypt it for you."
Yeah, but then usually they just delete it either way. Yeah. It's horrible stuff.
It's kind of like there's an incentive for it, and if you actually pay for it, and that you're basically paying for their future operations.
Yeah, right. So
but if you don't pay, your stuff is guaranteed gone forever. So it's like, oh yeah, Christian, if you're listening to this, edit that part out with me, will you?
Yeah. So what's your favorite language to program in?
Depends, because each language is useful for its own thing. Python is the general go-to for everything, but other languages have their
perks. Niches. Except for Java. That's nasty. I hate Java.
Java?
I hate it. Sorry.
Java has one niche though. Android. Android programming uses Java. In fact, if it wasn't for Android, Java would be dead by now.
But then Java's so popular, you know. People
even the AP computer science course is taught in Java.
Yeah.
So it's like
I thought the IB computer science is going to be taught in Java, but then I was wrong. We went with Python, which is actually a good decision because Python is amazing. I love Python.
Fair enough,
right? It's simple. It's nice. It looks nice. Java just looks kind of like mess. It looks nasty, and you have to use objects all the time.
Hey, object-oriented programming is okay. It's just amazing. C is a better option for it.
Right? Or, you know, Python, it's easier for beginners to pick up as well because, you know, you don't have to be forced into using objects.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I prefer Python, but, you know, Java's fine.
Also, Python's like basically recognized as the most user-friendly.
Yeah, it's a powerful like language as well.
It has a lot of interesting libraries like Pygame.
And then dude, I love Pygames. That's my favorite. Yeah. Well,
I could even argue that Pygame is probably the best language. Probably the easiest one to make games out of.
Yeah.
Simple games. Not like the big ones. They usually make their own engines for like Unity.
Yeah, talking about games, you play a lot nowadays?
I don't play at all. Gaming addiction has always been a problem in my life.
I've always wanted to like program games when I was young.
Like programming is fun,
right?
You have to make game addiction is not fun.
Yeah, game addiction is definitely not fun. Addicted to anything isn't fun.
Yeah.
I think making games is very interesting.
Games require a lot of technical knowledge. You can't just be like, I'll make a game, then you can make one. You need to understand how like how engines work, how like the objects work, how everything interacts with each other, how to fix bugs, how to market them, how to
like people think making games is so easy. It's not. It's so hard. And we don't give enough credit for developers.
Yeah. Whenever we see a flaw, we're like, oh my god,
this game's trash, right? They take so long to like the engine especially, that's so difficult to create.
Yeah.
Well, games.
I mean, well, they're still a pretty integral part of our culture in a way.
Yeah.
So
I enjoy a good old Overwatch game once in a while, you know?
Just don't overdo it.
Yeah.
Because once you get addicted, that you're not going back.
Well, you know, what do you think about like the pay-to-win system in video games?
It's a necessary evil.
It's a necessary evil. Why is that?
One-time payment systems was the initial go-to for game marketing, but then once developers realize that they're not making enough money for it, because development costs a lot of money.
Yeah.
So they introduced a DLC system, which is basically like, here's more content, but you pay more for it, which did give them more money. But then the developers realized that this still wasn't enough.
Yeah.
The only surefire way is to make a virtual currency in the game, and then it's like that. And then it's like, you want more, pay for more.
Yeah, but then like, you know, if you overdo it like EA, where every single thing is, you know, pay more, and the game is already at a base price of like $60, you know, no one wants to play that game anymore. You know, like
surprisingly, there's still a huge population.
Yeah, but but they're rich. Not saying I'm not, but you know, I don't want to be like, I paid $60 for this game, and you know, if you want the full game, you got to pay another 60. That's it.
I mean, at that point, it calls into question what the price of the game is. Anyway.
Yeah, yeah, right. I don't know. I don't like EA. If you didn't notice,
they killed like a lot of sibling, like a lot of they bought like a lot of companies.
Yeah, indie companies. Yeah, true. Yeah. It's really sad how like the monopoly of video games, like, you know, they just buy off of the weak.
Hey, that's how they survive. Mm-hmm. No competition means that everyone's forced to play their games.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Bam.
You know, HP used to create calculators.
HP?
Yeah.
What's HP?
Like a PC, like hardware stuff.
Yeah.
Used to create calculators and.
Oh, calculators.
Mm-hmm.
They're just basically like.
I think they're too expensive.
I mean, have you seen TI calculators?
Yeah,
they're also pretty expensive.
Way too expensive, in my opinion.
But at the same time, the new ones like TI Inspire has like a whole bunch of new technological problems, like a touchscreen or literally a file save new system.
Really?
It's basically a computer at that point.
That's awesome. And then at what point does it like become, you know, illegal to bring into a test room? You know.
It calls into question because TI Inspire is like the newest, like the most newest allowed calculator, but you can literally download files.
Yeah, you can download files. I have Pac-Man on my computer, on my calculator. So
actually, calculator is a computer, pun not intended.
Yeah, true.
Like, what is a computer?
What is a computer? What is a computer? Usually,
Google or like defines it as computing, and computing is basically like making measurements or like arithmetic, like 1 + 1 = 2. That's a computer. Your brain's a computer.
Mm-hmm. I think computer is like a thing with
dominoes can be computers. Like, actually, dominoes can be computers.
Really? How so?
You basically like create like a whole. You can create logic gates with dominoes.
Ah, yeah.
And logic gates can be programmed to return an addition result.
Ah,
makes it a computer.
It's really cool.
Which means that anything can be calculated if you can balance it well enough.
I don't know. I thought computers were things with central control units. The central control unit is basically a place where calculations happen. A
CPU.
A CPU, yeah. Oh, do you have a good computer at your house?
No, my computer is a MacBook. It's not bad. Like, MacBooks are great for programming.
Yeah, true. They're very convenient.
Windows are better for gaming, but like MacBooks are way better for like the hardware stuff.
Linux.
Linux is like I think in between. Like, it's just me.
I like Linux. It's a fun.
It's also open source, I think, which makes it pretty good too.
Yeah, CS50 uses Linux, so that's
no,
cool.
I think you just C, right?
No, CS50. Yeah, you can use C in it. Wait, no, the terminal is Linux.
I'm still not sure why your school is teaching you CS50 without paying for your courses.
Yeah,
it's like so you pay us like all this tuition fee to take this online course that you won't even get a credit. That we won't even
I'm taking it by myself, so that's fine. Well, no, like we're actually basing off CS50.
Does CSHL have like CS50 stuff in it? Doesn't CSHL have CS50 stuff in it?
Sometimes, but not all the time. We just use the the homework stuff.
Oh, you're taking it for free, right? Okay.
Yeah, we're just doing the homework, but then she teaches like normal stuff. Like sometimes she diverges from CS50. CS50 is just like a baseline, you know.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I'm just taking it because I like CS.
You know what you should do?
Yeah, what?
You should use your only study hall to self-study even more stuff.
Yeah, that's what I usually do. It's a Friday right now, and I'm really tired. So.
Whoa! Corporate secret! Don't expose.
Oh, I mean today's Monday. It's Monday with Max. Anything.
We're never gonna get a chime, so don't worry about that.
Yeah. Well, you know, when I have study at the end, I'm too lazy to study because I'm very tired. Usually, I have tutoring right after.
You tutor kids?
Yeah, I tutor.
Why do you torture little kids?
I don't torture little kids.
Yeah, you do.
I teach them math.
You're well known in our school for torturing everyone.
Sure. No, I teach them math. It's quite fun. I have tennis afterwards, but that has nothing to do with STEM.
I don't care. It's like the end of the episode. The end of the episode is full of memes. It's always been full of memes.
Full of memes.
Yeah.
Dude, I really like the new robotics room.
Idea center?
Yeah, the idea center.
I said it's more than just a robotics room though. I said it's more like a place where you can like design, innovate, and
it's awesome. It's great.
Also, it's definitely fitting that the Vex kids are all in there.
Yeah. The middle school Vex team is disbanding, right?
Yeah, they're disbanded.
Wait, why?
People don't have time. Like, everyone's so busy, and I think that's a big problem. I think in some ways, like life is too busy because there's like so many things you can do. Like this advent of the internet has allowed you to get so much information. Like there's so many things you can do.
Yeah.
But that's called the paradox of choice because the moment you have so many things to do, you can't decide.
You don't really do anything.
You don't really do anything.
Yeah.
Paradox of choice.
Well, has it been the end of the episode? Has been 20 minutes?
That's an corporate secret.
Oh, sorry. I mean, it hasn't been 20
all
minutes.
We do in this podcast is we basically roll around number between 1 and 25, and the number that comes out is the length of this.
I like that.
It's fun. In fact, the topic is random generated too. The topic we just roll from like 60 random topics that we have in mind, and we just like, here, this is our topic.
I like how languages don't really have a random. Like they actually is sort of pseudo random. They
language?
use the yeah.
What do you mean by language?
Like programming languages.
Oh, what about it?
Like
yeah, pseudo random. It's not truly random.
Right, because they can't make something random. That's just not how it works.
In fact, the random algorithm itself has a problem because you can literally call it seed, which makes its randomness guaranteed to be this.
Yeah, so I think random's based on time, right? So that's how Python does it. They use the time and the
No, it's not just time. The time is one variable and a lot of variables that determine like this random hash string that basically turns into a number.
Yeah, right. That's cool.
Yeah. Well, what would you say? What's your experience of this past 20 minutes?
It's been fun. Like it. I've been, it's a good usage of my study hall time.
Totally.
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah, because I wouldn't have done anything. I would probably like take a nap.
Take a nap.
I would probably take a nap.
So this is actually the best possible use, even though it's like useless.
Yes. What else do I do in study hall, huh?
You study.
No.
It's literally says study.
No. That's nasty. I only study at home.
You're a student. It literally says stud in this thing.
Sad. Yeah, but it's a good use of time. Thanks, Max, for having me on the show.
No problem. Well, that was another episode. Welcome. That was another episode. Thank you. We'll see you next Monday.
Monday. I'll stop it.
You can